Hey everyone, in this session I am going to coach you how to link your tag manager with Google Ads account. This is one of the most important tasks which I am going to keep presenting, and you will be able to getting the clear-cut mastery now. So without wasting your time now, let me quickly navigate towards Google Tag Manager. So here if you see my Google Ads account, so this is the area where I just need to concentrate now. So just click on the Google Ads, and after that navigate towards the tools and setting, and then click on the link accounts. I just want to show you some overview of the pictures, the different options which will help you in future. So if let's say you want to link some of the accounts in future, so you will be able to getting the clear-cut idea of where you will be able to linking your accounts. Let's say for example, if you are having a plan for linking your Google Analytics account or Google Analytics GA4 YouTube accounts, and there are so many other accounts informations are in front of you. So in future you can link your any one of the application as per your own expectation. So currently we are more interested towards the targeting audience, so just navigate towards the tools and setting, and after that you just go with the audience manager. Click here. It will take few minutes, so you will be able to see that now page is loading. And after that here you just need to navigate towards the plus icon, the segmentation, and these are all the options, the sources of data. If you click here, so this is the area you need to concentrate. So here you can see that Google Ads tag account I already linked. In your case this will not be linked in your Google Ads tag account. So what you need to do now, you need to link your account. So if you just click on these three buttons, so and click edit the source, and here you will be able to see the remarketing options will be keep presenting now. So there is the only general website data collections, and after that advanced setting if you go, and then click on the save and continue, and then you will be able to get these three options. So here the third options we are interested in, the Google Ad Tag Manager tag. So just click here, and this is the ID you just need to copy now. So just copy this ID, and after copy this ID, now you need to navigate again towards your Google Tag Manager account. So here click on the tags, and after clicking here on tags, you have seen that I already created so many different tags. So but I just want to show you, click on the new one, and then click here on the pencil icon and navigate towards the Google Ads remarketing. So here on the remarketing, if you just click here, and then you need to specify the conversion ID which we already copied from there now. So this was the ID basically which previously we have copied. So just specify it here, and after that no need to change anything, keep the label as it is. Then scroll down, and we need to specify our trigger now. So here on trigger we just need to create our trigger, that on what pages our conversion when someone else will be keep visiting on our website, so this trigger will fire now, this tag will fire. So let's say if you are interested on all the pages, you can select the all the pages, and if you are interested only for a specific page, you also can select the specific page as per your needs, wants and expectation. And here I just need to change the name of the tag, remarketing all pages I am interested now. So after that I just want to say, let's say if I want to delete this one and want to create a new trigger, so just click here, and I just only that whenever someone else hitting on the contact page, this will find now on the contact page now. So I just want to specify here as well, instead of all the pages, just specify the remarketing only on my contact page. So once we specified this, and all seems good to me, then you need to click on the save button now. So here just yes, okay, and after click on the save button, then you again navigate towards your tags, and here you have seen that This is the one we just created a few seconds ago now. Remarketing only my contact page. So you can verify this one. Now scroll up and here click on the submit. So globally this tag should be fired now, and click on the publish. And here also you can specify any description and click on the continue. Now our tag is fired, and you can preview now. Click on the preview, navigate back. 21 tags we already created now, and if I just click on the workspace, and then navigate towards the preview, and here you just need to click on the preview button. We want to see that our tag is properly working or not. So here I need to specify the expected landing page URL, which is the contact us page. So here I just specify contact us, and then I need to click on the connect. And here you will see that my contact us page loaded now. And I need to verify that this contact us page should be fired or not. So you have seen here that the contact us page is fired successfully, and here you will be able to see that there are so many other tags are also running now, but this is the one we just fired. And congratulations, that remarketing only my contact us page is successfully fired, and we are good to go. And this is the way that you will integrate your Google Ads remarketing tags on your Google Tag Manager account now. So in the upcoming session, I will be coaching you more about how you can see your remarketing audience you can create on live with your Google Ads account now. So I hope you like this session, and thank you very much for watching this session.